Hey everyone, it's Christy. If you enjoyed this video, click like and subscribe. I wanted to talk about the attack on the Paris office of the French satirical magazine of Charlie Hebdo. This happened on January 7th, and it was Islamic terrorists avenging the magazine's mockery of the Islamic figure Muhammad. If you don't know, Islamic people are like, you can't do depictions of Muhammad. That's so bad. You'll be, I don't know. Well, apparently you'll be attacked by Islamic terrorists. Yeah, that's what will happen. So this magazine republished the 2006 cartoons from a Danish magazine that mocked Muhammad, and actually has printed a lot more cartoons that mock Islam and organizations like the Islamic State of Iraq and Syria, aka ISIS, since then. The two attackers were actually brothers who remained on the loose until they were cornered in the Charles de Gaulle airport just outside of Paris. A friend of these brothers, who was also a terrorist, murdered a policewoman and then went and took hostages at a Jewish deli. The total death toll for these attacks was 20 people. That's horrible. These attacks were absolutely attacks on freedom of speech, and I think it's totally awful. I personally, as you probably know, am definitely for freedom of speech and stuff, so it's kind of ridiculous. Actually, the magazine Charlie Hebdo mocks like every religion. There's only one religion though that decided to go on a murdering spree of their editors and cartoonists. Actually, the office had actually been firebombed also just a few years before that. So it's not like all of a sudden it came out of the blue. They decided to like, oh, we're just one random angry Islamic terrorist. No, they did this like years before as well. Anyway, it's a really sad situation, but there has been a really great, I guess what you call it, like an uprising or whatever, to support them. The result was that the French government, Google, and actually a lot of other organizations have donated like millions of dollars to the magazine. So I mean, it's a horrible situation, but I'm glad that something good's come out of it, because instead of publishing its usual 60,000 issues, Charlie Hebdo plans on publishing a million of it next time. So go free speech, right? Yeah. Lots and lots more depictions that are offensive to Muhammad are absolutely going to get out there because the terrorists did this. Guess that fell back on them. Actually, Draw Muhammad has become a popular meme on sites like Reddit again, too. Also, I think it's 4 million people. They marched in France on Sunday in solidarity with the magazine, and there were 40 world leaders that joined in the pro-freedom march in Paris. So I just think that, like, I mean, it's a horrible situation, and it is so sad that it happened, but I'm so, like, happy that so many people are rallying up and being like, you know what, this is not okay. We believe in freedom of speech, and we clearly realize that this is like an extreme type of Islamic attack. There was no one else that got criticized in this thing that decided to, you know, friggin' go and kill 20 people because of it. So, yeah. The slogan, Je suis Charlie, which means I am Charlie, has become a really popular hashtag. And a German magazine, which republished the cartoons from Charlie Hebdo, was also firebombed on Sunday by Islamic terrorists. So they're not done yet, which is terrible. Absolutely terrible. What can I say? I really hope that this is an opportunity to expose that religion, particularly Islam, is completely incompatible with the ideals of freedom and free speech, and our society really needs those things to be able to grow. So, yeah. Otherwise, we're just going to fall back into a stone age like most of the Islamic countries. Yeah. Anyway, I would love to hear your thoughts and stuff. Definitely leave a comment and, click like, subscribe. Feel free to share. Let me know what you think about what happened and what you think about these Islamic terrorists doing these horrible things. And I will see you next time. Have a great day.